Hey guys, it's Karen. I have an unboxing here today to do of this Barbies of the world, and it's hot up here in my office, so I've got my portable AC cranked, so I apologize for the background noise. So I got this off of eBay. It's a Kenyan Barbie, I believe from 1992 maybe? 1993. I guess new in box. Doesn't look like she's been taken out. Yep, she's still attached with plastic. And I didn't get her to keep the box, although I loved her outfit. I got her because she is so cute and her hair is so adorable. So it's a Dolls of the World collection. Greetings from the Republic of Kenya in East Africa. Capital Nairobi. She's Maasai. Her dress is a shuka with a kanga cape. Hopefully I said that right. So apparently there were 6 dolls in this series in 1993. The Dutch, the Kenyan, the Chinese, the Italian, and the Australian, and the Native American. So I'm going to set this down and open up the box, and then we'll take a look at her. Alright, it looks like she comes with a stand maybe, which is great because I don't have very many. But look how pretty her outfit is. The cape has printing on the inside and the outside, and her dress is made of, it's like a real cottony fabric. It's not plastic, it's really pretty. And she has this cape. I haven't taken her off the plastic yet. And she has these necklaces. She's got plastic bangles on her arms, earrings. Her hair is flocked. Alright, it does look like she has a stand in. Oh look, and it has a Kenyan special edition stand. Is this a saddle stand, I guess? Alright, so here's the stand. It has a sticker on it. Do any of you guys have any of these Barbies of the world from the early 90s? So this is a wrap, cape wrap that she's wearing, and God, I'm sorry about the lighting, you guys. And she has multiple necklaces. They're like made out of colored cord and plastic. And she has a headband on. So now I want to take that off, but it's probably going to cause a big dent in her hair, so that's going to be a problem. And she's the old style Barbie with the 70s to 90s body with the tiny waist, the bigger, wider hips, and the larger bust and the bent arms. And she also, I said, she's got a ring. And she's barefoot, and she also has bangles on her ankle. So she's very cute. Very big eyes on this doll. So Kenyan Barbie. So yeah, let me know if any of you guys have any of these dolls from the series and which ones you have. I'm gonna sign off, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.